Tired of the mess? It's time to take control of your workspace with the Naomi Home Carly Office Cabinet. This modern 6-drawer cabinet offers plenty of storage space to keep your office tidy and clutter-free. With built-in wheels included, move effortlessly without lifting a thing. Choose the color that best matches your office vibe, because organization should look as good as it feels. Upgrade your office today, because a clean space means a clear mind. This office cabinet is available in various colors such as white, gray, natural, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.